Good evening, iHub. This is Technical Indicator breaking down Tstr member requested chart. Watch it in HD, expand the video, select 720p under YouTube settings, which is just below the chart. Tstr Corp trades in the Nasdaq GM, down about 4% today. Overall downtrend here. This green line is the MA200, and if you follow that, you can clearly see that it's declining. Touched up against resistance here recently I should say, at 69 cents. The MA50 also overall downtrend. And then the MA20, which reacts to a 20-day backtrack, is cycling up more recently, and that's a result of this increasing volume right here. So this is a positive for the stock. If you look at the last 5 months, you didn't see much of that. So this says that people are looking at the equity. The overall concern right now is the MACD is turning down, the volume is declining, and the stock is flirting with the MA20. And if it breaks below that MA20, I would say it's going to go into a downtrend. The OBV is good. You can see since the middle of August it's clearly trending up. All right. If we follow the RSI, there's a lot of good signs that we can see. RSI is oversold here. It pops up for 2 days, goes into oversold again, pops back up. Okay. And then it kind of flirts with overbought right here, and obviously touches up against that MA200. What's interesting is that it pulls back and it holds the MA50. You know, centerline crossover usually indicates the stock is going into a downtrend. If it crosses over to the downside, if it crosses over to the upside, it usually indicates it could be going into an uptrend. It's a leading indicator, so it's a predictor, and they don't always come true. Certainly not as strong as a lagging indicator. So what you're looking for is to see if it holds that 50 line again. If it holds that 50 line again and it holds that MA20, things are good. Okay, if it breaks that 50 line and if it breaks that MA20, most likely we're going in a bearish downtrend. If you take a look at the MACD, okay, right here you have a cross and the histo built nicely, and you can see that the stock turned up nicely. All right, and it kind of flowed that way for a while, and now it's crossing to the downside. So there are a couple bearish indicators on this chart: the MA200, the MA50, the MACD crossing to the downside, and the RSI flirting with the 50 line, possible center line crossover to the downside. So watch that closely. I would say make sure that it at least trades above the MA20 to stay in the uptrend that it's in right now. Okay, I'm Technical Indicator of the Penny Stock Express. Take it easy, everybody.